Now we're back to learning HTML, and this time I'm going to show the Datalist tag. It's often used in a form. Let me just give you an example. And you can see it is used to give predefined options to an input field. We need opening and closing. It's not going to change anything in the browser. Even if you add your first option, it needs the value attribute. Let me make this about browsers, so we'll use Firefox. And it needs to be connected to an input field so that we can actually see it. So let me add it right here. I will connect it via list attribute inside of input. It has to have the same value. Let me make a browser as the ID of our data list. And if we now refresh a browser window, we can see it. And if I just type in an F, Firefox pops up as a value because it contains an F. Let me add a second option. I'll make it Safari. I refresh, type in F. And now both options pop up, so the user can just select them. Let me add a third option. And I'll make it Explorer. Explorer doesn't contain an F. So if I type in F, this doesn't pop up. And if I type in a P, it's only the Explorer option that pops up. Usually you also use a label in front. So let me stick to our topic and I'll make it what web browser do you usually use. And this entire thing, as I've said, is usually part of a form. And you'll have a button to submit. Let me just add an input and I make it type submit. My browser is set to German, so I'll give it a value of submit as well. And here, before our label, we need the form tag, and we need to close it after our input button, so the submit. And this is usually the way you use a Datalist tag in HTML. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.